Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to invest in crypto.com for beginners. Investing in cryptocurrency can seem daunting, but with the right knowledge, you can navigate the process with confidence. First, you need to understand what crypto.com is. Crypto.com is a popular cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to buy, sell, and trade various digital assets. To get started, you will need to create an account on the crypto.com website or mobile app. To create an account, go to the crypto.com website or download the mobile app. Click on Sign Up, and follow the prompts to enter your email address and create a password. You will also need to provide some basic information such as your name and date of birth. Once your account is created, you will need to verify your identity. This is a standard procedure to ensure the security of your account and comply with regulatory requirements. You will need to provide a government-issued ID and proof of address. After your account is verified, you can deposit funds into your account. Crypto.com supports various payment methods, including bank transfers, credit cards, and other cryptocurrencies. Now that you have funds in your account, you can start investing in cryptocurrencies. Crypto.com offers a wide range of digital assets, including popular coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. You can browse the available cryptocurrencies on the platform and select the ones you want to invest in. When investing in cryptocurrencies, it is essential to have a clear understanding of the risks involved. Cryptocurrency prices can be highly volatile, and you should never invest more than you can afford to lose. It is also important to diversify your portfolio to minimize risk. To place an order, select the cryptocurrency you want to buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and confirm the transaction. You can also set up a recurring buy to invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. In addition to buying and selling cryptocurrencies, Crypto.com also offers other features such as staking, lending, and a cryptocurrency wallet. These features can help you earn interest on your holdings, borrow funds, and securely store your digital assets. Finally, it is crucial to keep your account and assets secure. Use a strong password, enable two-factor authentication, and keep your computer and mobile device up to date with the latest security patches. In conclusion, investing in crypto.com can be a straightforward process if you follow these steps. Always remember to do your own research, set a budget, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. With the right knowledge and mindset, you can navigate the world of cryptocurrency investing with confidence.